Hello and welcome to my channel where we are making a gourmet tasting dessert using a box mix. And today we are making delicious pumpkin whoopie pies with cream cheese icing, so stick around while we make something boxed, but better. In a large mixing bowl we are going to add 1 9-ounce box of yellow cake mix, 1 large egg, a half cup of canned pumpkin, and 1½ teaspoons of pumpkin spice. Now the pumpkin spice is optional. I know not everyone loves pumpkin spice. You can either do a plain pumpkin or replace it with cinnamon. Mix on a high speed for about 2 to 3 minutes, and don't forget to scrape down the edges and bottom of your bowl to make sure that all of your ingredients are fully incorporated. On a greased cookie sheet, I am using a tablespoon to measure out my batter into dollops and just sort of rounding it off. I got 12 on one cookie sheet and then 10 on another, and I am baking it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It has been 10 minutes and our cookies are done. They have a firm but soft cake-like texture, and they come off the pan very easily. Now we are going to set these to the side and let them cool while we make our cream cheese frosting. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to add 3 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of unsalted room temperature butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix this on a high speed until your ingredients are creamed together. Then we are going to add a ½ pound of sifted powdered sugar and mix that together until all of your ingredients are well incorporated and your icing comes out thick and creamy. Pick 2 cookies that are relatively the same size, and we are going to use those for our whoopie pie. Using 1 cookie, we are going to flip it over and piping with a piping bag or a sandwich bag if you don't have a piping bag. We're just going in a swirling motion all the way around until it's filled. And then we are going to lightly put our cookie on top. You don't want to push down too hard or else your icing will squeeze out. You can get fancy with these for a little extra added flavor or aesthetic appeal by adding sprinkles, chocolate chips, chopped pieces of pecans or walnuts, your choice. Put what you want on a plate and roll it around until it sticks in the icing. Doesn't that look lovely? And there we have it, our delicious pumpkin and cream cheese frosted whoopie pies. Thank you for joining me. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I will do my best to answer them. And I will see you next time on Box But Better with Jenna. All right, who wants to eat these?